knock you out flat.
I feel so stressed out.
No,
You
don't
better
be.
get straight. First,
Call to order. So today, the producer would like to test our knowledge and how much we know about Jamaica's musical history. Trudy is the host of our friendly feud. It's not going to be friendly.
You're not
I can't
gonna
tell
be
you from now.
You're
It's
not
going to be a full feud.
Yeah.
Anyway, she's going to ask the question, and the first person to press the buzzer gets a chance to answer. Does she have to identify us first, or do we just press
can we
and...
lick
just
it?
go
No,
for it.
we just lick it.
All right, then.
Why your
We're
hand
gonna
them so
mash up the
close
bell
though?
now, you
No,
know.
your hand have to be at your
This bell
side.
has lived
Your
through many
hands
of
have
these.
to be at your side.
Negative.
What, that, thank you.
I'm glad I'm not the bell in that position
Yes,
right now.
yes,
You know,
it's true.
just over here. All right. So first question: when did reggae music start in Jamaica?
1969.
Reggae music? As in not ska, not mental, reggae.
As in reggae.
I'm going to say 19...
You know
Wait,
something?
no, man.
No, hold
69,
on there.
right.
Yeah,
No, cause all right. I can't read it
That
now.
me I said, that
No,
me
I
I
can't read it now. So it was actually in the 1960s. So technically you're right. Never
No,
you're right.
no, wait, no. Hold on a minute. I have a question.
What?
No, never get the answer wrong. And I am not going to hazard a guess.
It says 60s
It
or
said
it
in the
says specific.
1960s. No, I thought it was 1960, but I'm saying in the 1960s it never really specifies.
All right,
so.
don't bother give me. I never get it.
But it's before, I think it would be
No,
before
man, it's
69
69. I
though.
think it's 69. What is that? What good?
All right, so no good.
Yeah, man.
Oh, it's friendly, man. It's
points
actually
like this.
friendly.
Yeah,
Not friendly,
it's friendly.
not
friendly.
All right. All right, next question. What is Jimmy Cliff's correct name and what year was he born?
Yes, man.
Gosh.
Sim lick that, man.
I
Lick
know
it,
the
Sim.
answer to
Yeah,
this.
but then lick it now. Sim lick the bell. You see it?
You
Knock up that
lick with your tongue. Do you want me to hit the bell or lick the bell?
Lick the bell. Lick it. No, that is your question.
Winner, Chambers.
Is in last
His name
year.
is Chambers.
Yeah. And in about 1943.
I don't remember his first name.
So the two
Sorry,
answer the
Odessa.
question.
Mr. Chambers is his name.
Well, all right, cool. James Chambers.
James!
Chambers.
You did not
Yes,
say
I
James.
knew it, I
But
knew
you
it, I
didn't
knew
say
it,
it. But
I
you
should
could have
know
known
it.
it.
I knew
But
it.
you
I
did
said
not
it
say it. Which
after.
year in born?
Not the year that you mentioned.
know, which year,
It's
man?
1948.
So, no.
James Chambers.
But you said
Odessa.
Mr. Chambers.
Odessa, I know your daddy's name.
Yeah.
All right. When did Alton Ellis die?
I'm just saying, it's clear.
No, is what?
2019.
2019,
He died about 10 years ago.
2012.
Oh, no. No.
09?
No.
8?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
I was right there, so I get that point.
Oh, you must get the
because
point.
I was-
You
because-
count down from 2012, you say 11, 10, 9, 8. Sooner or later, you would have get it.
Proximically speaking, I was closer to the range.
Not
All
there.
right.
No,
Next question. Name 3 members of the Scatterlight Band.
Tommy McCook, Roland Alfonso, Jackie Me Too, Lloyd Brevet.
All right. You win.
Excuse me, are any of these questions from 19...
No, you so live funny.
80, 90,
You could
or
have get all of
2000?
them.
Because they're skewed
Hold on.
towards the dinosaur. Then
Yeah.
obviously,
Summer, I have
I'm
one
back.
thing to say.
Abe.
One love.
Abe. One
Alright.
heart. Ask me something about Bob. I got Jimmy Cliff as one heart.
No, you got Mr. Chambers, or you get Jimmy
James Chambers.
Cliff. You did not say James.
Yes, I
And you
did.
say- and you never tell him
I
I'm
did
back.
say James.
All right. Next question. Who is the original singer of My Boy Lollipop?
Made it smart. Oh, wow.
I talked to him about this already, you know.
Why you gotta be like that, Nefril?
Very small.
Nope. The original singer, I
It's a
said.
foreigner.
I don't know.
It's a foreigner.
Is that very
have no
small?
idea.
It's a foreigner. She make it over. Who sing it original?
Barbecue. 1956.
Yeah, me know her, you know. She used to live next door.
You could possibly have. Me know. I wasn't even a thought.
Next.
Next, what group had members whose names were Harris, B.B. Seaton?
Is either...
No.
Wait, no. All right, I'm not answering, but it's either Gaylords or Clarendonians.
And which one are you going?
Which one will we go with?
The one we're wrong.
Gaylords.
Oh, no, he's right. All right. Woo!
I didn't even know there was a group called the Gaylords. Look, I was born in 19... Okay, never mind.
All right.
Never mind. Yeah.
At what age did Dennis Brown started singing?
I want.
12.
I want to say 10.
Somewhere in the middle.
11.
Yeah.
Really, Trudy? All
Are
right.
you are both close.
No. If I said 12 and you said 10, and she said somewhere in the middle.
Let me just say 11.
What's between 10 and 12? Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to
Wait,
thank
no.
my mother
Is
and
it finished?
father.
Trudy, ask one more
For-
question.
One
No,
more
let's say
question.
break.
One last question.
All right.
Who first released Electric Boogie and what year did Marcia Griffiths release it?
Yeah, man. This, hold on, now. See, lick
Come,
up
young
that.
lady.
Lick up that again, man. We're going for a break while she think about it.
Play the tune, play the tune.
When we come back, we deal
Dun,
with
dun, dun,
tunes.
dun,
Thanks.
dun.
So who wins?
So who
I
did
mean, who win? There must be
originally?
Trudy. A bell we name, you know,
What
bell
do
can't
you
lose.
win?